Today we're making wings, buffalo wings. So apparently we need some Frank's Red Hot sauce, original. This is the stuff you need.
Hey guys, we're back and we got this stuff.
And that stuff is chicken wings, canola oil, Frank's Red Hot Original, salt, vinegar, granulated onion, granulated garlic, and butter. For our garnishes, we'll be using jalapenos, ranch dressing, celery, carrots, and blue cheese. Start by chopping the celery and carrots, and then prepare the buffalo sauce, which consists of Frank's Red Hot Original, butter, granulated onion, granulated garlic, salt, and vinegar. Give it a quick swirl and set aside as we fry the wings. Heat your oil to 375 degrees. Fry your wings in small batches until golden brown, about 8 to 10 minutes. Some people like ranch, some people like blue cheese dressing. I'm undecided, so I'm making a combo ranch blue cheese dressing. Add mayonnaise, milk, ranch dressing mix, and chop up as much blue cheese as you like, and whisk thoroughly. When your wings are done and golden brown, place them in a bowl with the buffalo sauce concoction and toss thoroughly, allowing the residual heat from the wings to melt the butter slowly, causing it to emulsify and become creamy. Once your wings have been thoroughly coated, place them on a plate and decorate them with jalapenos, if that's your thing. Our wings are done and we're gonna give them a try. We have some ranch dressing that we put blue cheese in, a combination of both worlds. Yeah, the best of both worlds. Thank you, man.
Are they both blue cheese?
Blue cheese ranch.
But we don't know how strong it is.
And I'm gonna go ahead and grab this big fat wing right here and I'll share this sauce with you. I got a round, you guys got the flat one? Okay.
3,
Let's go.
2,
What?
1.
Oh wow.
That's really good.
I like the tang from the extra vinegar that we put in there.
Yeah, it's spicy
A little spicy.
Good.
We purposely left out the cayenne we were gonna put in there for you.
Celery or carrots?
I do them both, but I prefer, I mean, I like the celery a little more.
I hate celery so much.
Very good.
Oh,
I'm
really?
gonna try one of these peppers.
Jalapeno.
I dare you to try one. One of those jalapenos. Ooh, and you dipped it.
Yeah.
That's dangerous.
It tastes like green pepper.
Go ahead. I thought we were gonna have her blowing up on film. You really like this? You like it? Is it hot?
I just don't like the taste of jalapeno, if I'm being honest. I would make you do this again.
We will.
I like the wings. Literally, I don't eat these at home, but they're so good.
Okay, so you seen how it's done? Give it a try.
Bye.
Bring those other ones over here.